Many iPhone 11 users see this unlock SIM message after inserting their SIM card or notice the status saying locked SIM. It can be really frustrating, but let's unlock it by following this step-by-step process. So right after insert your SIM card, if a message appears saying, you just have to go ahead and enter your SIM pin. So if you still have your SIM card package like this, you can easily find the default SIM pin printed on it. But if you don't have the package or don't remember the pin, don't panic. Try the default pin 1111, and if that doesn't work, try 1234. So as you can see, 1234 works for me. If neither pin works, stop trying here. Don't keep guessing, because after several incorrect attempts, your SIM will be locked and your iPhone will ask for PUK code. So if your SIM is asking for a PUK code, first you just have to check your SIM card package, as the PUK code may be printed like this. And if you don't have it, you will need to contact your mobile carrier, because the PUK code is provided by your carrier, not Apple. So now to contact your carrier, if you don't know how, don't panic. Just open up your app store and here search for Apple support. Now install it and then open it. So here you have to choose your iPhone, and now from the topic, you have to choose for eSIM or SIM. Then tap your carrier from the list and it will take you to your carrier support page where you can easily contact them and request your SIM pin or PUK code. So that's it. Once you enter the correct SIM pin or PUK code, your SIM will be unlocked and your cellular service will start working fine. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix 9 till then.